This video demonstrates how you can compare products against multiple sources within MortgageBrain Anywhere. So for example, if you have a client who isn't sure whether they want to look at fixed or tracker products and wants to compare the two against each other, then you can do that very easily by using the multiple search facility within MortgageBrain Anywhere, and then use the comparison facility to compare the products against each other. So first of all, rather than select all initial rate types, if we only select fixed rate products and source on these first of all, this will bring up our scheme list of products that fit the criteria already input into the system. What we can then do is discuss with our client the benefits of a fixed rate product and the length of time they may wish to fix it over. The columns can all be reordered alphabetically or numerically by clicking on the column headings. So we can run through this with our client, discussing the benefits and cons against a fixed rate product. We can then use our new search function down at the bottom of the screen to go back and select tracker products. By selecting the new search function, this will allow you to retain the fixed rate search that we've already carried out, and this time look at tracker products. And then we can compare the two result screens together side by side, and we can select as many schemes as we want to compare. So now you'll see that we have our tracker scheme list in front of us. We now have an icon down on the bottom right hand corner called My Searches. Now My Searches indicates that there are multiple searches because the 4 squares are in blue, and by clicking this will show you the different searches we've carried out. And as you can see, we've got remortgage products on both sides, and we have fixed rate products on the left hand side and tracker products on the right hand side. So if we select our first source and click on results, we can use the icon in the bottom right hand corner, which is the compare button, to select the products that we wish to compare against the trackers. And to show you how to do this, down in the bottom right hand corner I click on my compare button. This displays checkboxes now on my scheme list of fixed products, and I can tell that I'm in my fixed rate scheme list because it indicates this in my initial rate type. So I can select the products that I wish to compare. I can choose as many as I want to compare across all sources, but for printing purposes we've limited this to a comparison printout of 4. So I've selected my 3 schemes here. I go back to my search icon down at the bottom screen, and this time I select my tracker products. This then displays my tracker scheme list with checkboxes on the left hand side, and from here I can select as many tracker products I wish to compare. And once I've chosen all the ones that I wish to compare, I click on my compare function down in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this displays an on-screen comparison for me. So now I can see that I have my fixed products, and then I have my 3 tracker products. And I can compare them all together. If I use the scroll bar, you can see they all scroll at the same time as each other. If I wish to remove schemes from my comparison, then I click on the cross at the top of the boxes here to whittle it down to however many I want to view at once. I can print out the comparison here onto an A4 page. I can also go back and choose additional schemes to compare, and then come back in again and continue the process as many times as I wish.